in the lid. The sweetest parts of a wandering kid. I got the oil popping in the pan. Catch a little morsel whenever I can. Oh, come to mama, don't you hop away. It's a lovely day for a smart buffet. With the ribbit and the pop and the salty crunch. Mama's got a hunch about what's for lunch. My, what a delicious bunch. I saw you trailing by the cattail reeds, snacking on some lovely seeds. Your skin all soft and not warty like mine, but dipped in the batter you'll taste divine. I'll block out your vision, I'll break your sight, and snack on the epic so pure delight. The bubbles are rising, the steam is so thick. One little finger